Okay, today we will learn all about type tool in Illustrator, right? If you will learn here typography or type tool, so this tool is all same for all software of Adobe, almost, alright? But we will discuss the basic rule of typography and how we can use type tool in Illustrator, alright? First of all, if you will take type tool and if you click once, alright, if you click once, this is called point text, alright, this is called point text or it's single line text, right, point text or single line text. If you click once, right, if you click once, it's point text or single line text, first of all. Second, if you will take this type tool and if you click and drag, this is called paragraph text. Right, when you click and drag, it's a paragraph text. So point text and single line text and paragraph text. What is difference between them? Look, if you have point text or single line text, if you will rotate from this corner, look, the all text will rotate also the direction, right? I will do undo. If you select this one, if you rotate from here, now you will see text is not rotating, only the frame is rotating first, alright. Second difference, if you have point text or single line text, if you reduce size with shift, you will see the size of the frame and the size of the text will reduce also. But in this case, if you reduce the size of the frame, the size of the text will not reduce. Alright? Okay. Third difference, here, look at here, after the frame, if the tiny circle is empty, means this is point text or single line text, alright. If this tiny circle is filled, means paragraph text. You can also convert from paragraph to single line to paragraph, okay. If you double click on this, so you will see this text is converted into paragraph. Now look at here, alright. Same, you can convert also this one by double clicking on this and you will see it's converted into now point line now. So many times we use this one to reduce size, alright, frame and text together. Okay, I will do undo. There's three major difference between point text and single line text, alright. If you are using paragraph text, alright, if I will make again like this, okay, this is paragraph text, okay. If you will reduce the size of the frame, you will see, you will get this warning here and many people are ignoring this warning. If you are using in InDesign, when you are saving and exporting, it will give you error. You have one warning. This is called overset warning, overset, alright, or overloaded. It means you have more text, your text is overloaded and you have the frame is smaller than the text. So there are three solutions for that. First solution, you should increase the size of the frame like this. Okay, still you have text inside until you get it's clear, alright. Now, yes, it's clear. If you just focus, we have two boxes. Here we have this box and here we have, this is called in box, alright, and this is out box, right. Text is coming from this box and this one out box, text is going outside. We'll see how it will work. So when you will make it smaller frame, then it will become overset warning. Okay. So first solution, you can increase the size of the frame like this. Alright. Second solution, you can transfer this text to another box. Just single click on this overset icon. Okay. And just click anywhere. When you click anywhere, you will see it will make another box with the same size. Look. And this text has been transferred to this. And this line is called threading, thread, not linking, alright. Linking will be like hyperlink, you click and you will go to another page, not like. It's called thread. Only once you click on this box, you will see it, otherwise not, okay. And you can see this text is threaded with this box. If you will write here something, alright, like this, and you will see here, the text will go to the next box, alright. The third solution, you can delete text from but we need a text. So the two solutions are important. Either you can increase the size of the frame or transfer to another box. Students are doing one mistake. I am doing undo, Control Z, right? They are doing one mistake. They are in text tool. Okay, for example, they are making like this, all right, and with the text tool, okay, if you are just shrinking the size or you are copy pasting, they are trying with the text tool. They are clicking here on this overset icon. Don't click with the type tool. You need to take a selection tool for that purpose, and you need to once click on this overset icon, then it will give you rectangular box like you are having the balanced text. So if you click, so single click, it will make same size of box. You can also click and drag like this, so you can make your own size of the box as well. Okay, so this is called threading, how you can shift text from one box to another box. If you don't want to see this thread, just go to view, and here you will see, here we have here should be one option, hide bonding box, and here should be a thread where you can see the thread. Yeah, this one, hide the text thread, Control Shift. If you don't want to see, just hide it. All right, but I don't think so. Why you will hide it? Because they are not going to print. Okay, but still you can. They have options, so you can use. So here we have option show text thread, so you can see like this. Okay, so this process is called threading. If you don't want to transfer in another text frame, if you have a custom shape from here, like you have a polygon, all right, and you want to transfer this balanced text into this polygon, you can also transfer, right? Again, click on this overset icon with the selection tool. Now you will see your text will carry the balanced text. Now if you have this rectangular frame, so it will place in a rectangular, just bring your cursor above the path of the next shape. Now you will see the cursor is changes into parentheses, in brackets, small brackets, all right. Look, outside is a rectangular. When you path, so it's become bracket, become parentheses, small parentheses, right. Now when you click here, so that text will be transferred to the shape, particular shape. Got it? All right. So you can also transfer balanced text into another shape as well. All right. So that's how you can manage text boxes. I will delete all. One thing more, now you can see when I'm dragging, I'm getting this text which is called dummy text. Before we were facing a lot of problem, like when we want to send client over like design template or demo. So we were copying text from another website, and these texts have a meaning. But this Lorem Ipsum, then they came forward and they developed a site, okay, and they generated dummy text for us. So whenever you will take this title box and you click and drag, so it will give you meaningless dummy text, which we can use for our design purpose. All right, so that any word doesn't have any meaning. All right, so they have collaboration with Adobe, and they are just, when you ever drag this, it will give you dummy text. You can format it. You can change its font from here, right? If you want to change, you can change from font from here. Also style and also paragraph, and here alignment, everything you can change from here. If you want to go their website, you can also go their website. Okay, just write here and just write Lorem Ipsum. All right, so you can go to their website and you can search also the dummy text. Look at this is the website. All right, so what you want here, you can write paragraphs, words, bytes, list. I want, for example, 5. I want 6 paragraph, and just generate Lorem Ipsum. So it will generate 5 paragraphs for you. Now you can copy and you can use in your design. These all are meaningless text, right? So and it's a very good option, right? Otherwise you were like, I remember whenever I was designing, so I used to get text from the websites or other dummy text to paste to show text to the client. So just thanks to them, right? So they created this website and they provided us this dummy text. Okay. So this how you can use this type tool. Okay. One thing more is very famous. Okay, and we use a lot the font type. We divided font into like more than 2 types, okay, but the most used are 2 and you will use a lot. Alright. We have serif font and sans serif. Okay, being a graphic designer, you must know this two also. Alright, for example, if I will search here in Google, alright, yeah, just search. Google is very intelligent, it will tell you all. So serif and sans serif. Alright. So you should to know the difference between serif and sans serif font. Serif, these extensions, little hooks, okay, at the tails or end of the fonts is called serifs. So this little extension is serif. So the fonts which has this little hook extension at the end, alright, that fonts will be considered as serif family. If the fonts are straight, okay, they don't have any hook or extension at the end or any design, they are sans, right? Sans means without, serif means hook. So the font without hooks or extension are called sans serif. Alright, and if you want to be a safer side, go with the sans serif. Okay, if you will just look at the famous logos, they all are mostly 70% they are using sans serif. Okay, this is a safe. Yeah, serif they have little decorative it's become, and yeah, sometime you can choose, otherwise mostly choose this sans serif fonts. Okay, so you look at here. So we have a lot of logos here. So this font is it serif or sans serif? It's serif, Burberry, right? Because they have extension. This HSBC is also. So look at here. So it was before and it was after. So all it was before. They just made it with serif and this sans serif. Look the difference, all right? So they have just upgraded and look at here, all right? So these all are you should to know being a graphic designer. So what is serif and what is sans serif and where to use. And a lot of types are there you can learn, like we have sans, serif, script, slab, decorative, a lot of fonts are there, but mostly we use serif and sans serif, all right? And also you should to learn how to do font pairing. Don't use the one font in your all design, because when you are dressing, you are not like pairing the same color, right? You are matching, mixing and matching. Same here, font pairing also. And there are font pairing combinations, okay? I would suggest you whenever you are free, all right? So go to here and just search font pairing and you will see a lot of fonts pairing are there. Only they will write and you will see amazing effect, all right? So here you will see, and also there are categories. This is sans serif but thin and tall, right? This is also sans serif but bold. This is serifs but bold. This one sans serif light, all right? Sans serif, and here brush script, here handwriting sans serif, all right? And now whenever you are designing, just pair the fonts. Okay, look at here is serif and sans serif and how they are going very well. All right, so we have a lot of fonts, and now whenever you are designing, just choose heading, subheading and body text. Maximum use 3 fonts. Don't go over more than 3 fonts. All right. Okay, we will back to Illustrator. Now here we will again. So if you want to filter serif and sans serif, we have option in Illustrator as well, all right? So here just click on this font and you will choose, here we have one filter fonts by classification. Click here, now look at here. So you have a lot of classification, just hover over mouse, it will sans serif without serif. And you click here, so it will show you all fonts without serif and you can choose from here, okay? If you want slab serif, just click here, so it will show you this one and you can choose from here like this. Okay, so from here you can also filter, so it will save your time. So here it will hover over, it will show you fixed width, monospaced, alright, and this one is also very good. So you can filter from here and you can use. After that you can clear all also, alright. When you have time, just look at font, mix and match them and choose your favorite font. Okay, interviewer may ask you first question, what are your favorite fonts, right? So you have to tell them and which one is bold, because first of all you need to select the font, which font you are going to use. we have colors, we have fonts, all right, and then we have layout also. You have to select many things, all right. So we can use Marriott Pro is the common one. We use a lot this one. You can use this one. Okay, very famous. We have Arial, and Arial is further divided into many fonts, all right. And same, you can also Impact is bold, okay, and this is available for all, right. Same here, you can go Arial Black, all right, like this. So you can choose Arial Black also with bold headings like this, all right, and you can make it small heading as well like this, and you can change this with the serif, which I like, Bookman old style, all right, and it's available for all, right. And also we have a lot Bookman old style is good one. We have also fonts, we have category, regular, italic, okay, so you can go with this, look at there. And again, you can fix for the paragraph like this, okay, and you can write, and you can go with the Marriott Pro or so. So it's Marriott Pro also has a lot of options, look, so you can choose any of them. Look, typography plays very important role, look. So we have choose like bold, then we have serifs, light, and we have sans serif and extra light, all right. You can choose. If you can download fonts from the internet, a lot of websites are there. First of all, I will prefer which is called Google Font, all right. So Google Font is a very common website. You can go here and you can download free fonts from here, all right. So here just click on fonts and look at there. Okay, I would suggest you to download many fonts, create your library and save over there. So many fonts you can download from here, all right. Another website you can also use the font, all right. This is also very good website, the fonts, okay. From here you can also download, look at here, amazing, right. So many, look this one, and here you can download, it will show you also how many downloaded, okay. And here they have also classification, foreign look, tech, and here basic, sans serif, okay, serifs, just click here, look, wow, amazing, right. So look, amazing, every font has its own beauty, okay, look at there, okay. So I would suggest you, wow, it's, look, when you just go and you will fall in love with the fonts, look, all right. You can just download and you can paste into fonts folder in Windows folder in C drive, and you can use this, look at this font, okay. Okay, let's just download, so it will be downloaded, okay. We will just open this one into show in folder, and here we have it, and just here we have TTF file, okay. So you can go to C drive, all right, and here we have program files, and here you can go to Windows, right. So we'll go to Windows in here, and here we have fonts folder, all right. So here you can copy this TTF file, okay. Just drag this one, TTF file. TTF means true type font, all right. So this, the name is Mojina or what? Mojina or Mogina? All right, come back. Okay, so here we will search what we have downloaded, and Mogina. Oh wow, it's here, right? Look at that. All right, so that's how you can download many fonts. You can just keep it to fonts folder, and you can use like this. Okay, just make your library and download many fonts. So that's how you can use fonts and type tool. All right. Okay, next we have formatting as well. We have character formatting and we have paragraph formatting as well. Okay, we will see how we can use them. So first of all, if you want to format the character, all right. So for example, we have this character formatting, separate panel we have here. So click here, so you will see character formatting. You can also go Windows, all right, and Windows bring this character panel out, and you can also use from there. So I think it would be in here you can see character panel. So it will be in type. In type there will be character panel, Control T. When you click here, so it will give you this one. Okay, here we have character, paragraph, open type. When you click here, so it will also make it bigger. So first of all, we have character. So you can just click, and first we have set the font family. So you can choose any font family from here. All right. Then you have their type, font style. You can choose also. Look. All right. So you can use also the style of the same family. You can use thin, you can use bold, you can use semi bold, a lot of for like type you can use. And here we have this one which is called set the font size. Okay, we know that you can also change the font size from here. Okay, for body text normally we use 10 to 12 points. Okay, for body text 10 to 12 points. Okay, for heading you can go for like 14 to 16. All right, the major heading it depends, but body text even you can go 10 to 12 or even 8 as well for business card. Okay, font size. Then we have three properties which is called learning, leading, kerning and track. I say LKT, right? LKT, L for is equal to leading, all right? It's called leading, okay? I will delete this one. The K for kerning, all right? K for, we have kerning, okay? And T for tracking, okay? Being a graphic designer, you must know how it will work. Okay, so leading means the space between lines. Leading means the line spacing. All right, so you can set from here. That is set the leading. All right, we have here. We will see practically. Kerning means the space, the optical space between two characters, between two letters. If you want to manage the space, is called kerning. We can say the space between individual character, right, is called kerning, between two character only. Okay, the space between more than two character is called tracking. More than two character, all right. If the space you will see, the space optical space is not equal always between two character, right, two letter. So how it will work? Now you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. So leading means line spacing. So you can undo. You can select this one, okay, and here we have leading. You can set leading. Now it's 21 points. Okay, if you will decrease, look at here. Look. Right. So you can manage from here. Don't make them more congested. Okay, you can go for 2 or 3 points different. Now, for example, font size is 18. You can go for like 18. Same. You can also, if you will go, for example, 16. Look. If it's working for you, then you can also use like 16. Yeah, it's good. The font size is 18, you can go 16, but it's still, it's if this I will come under this, you will face problem. So I will suggest you to go with the same font size and leading together. Normally, it's higher than the font size. Okay. The shortcut key for leading for all Adobe software. Okay, Alt and up arrow. All right. When you use Alt and up arrow, okay, don't click anywhere. Alt and up arrow, you will see it will down arrow, it will decrease the leading. Alt and up arrow, it will increase. You can see it's changing. 16 point, 17, like one point, it will change. All right. Then we have kerning. Kerning, as I told you, space between two individual character, optical space. All right. So here we have set the kerning between two character. Okay, from here you can set, or I prefer to use shortcut key. To hold Alt key from the keyboard and right arrow like this. All right. Example. Yeah, don't click anywhere inside. Yes, then Alt and like this. Okay. Now as you are changing, look at there, the value is changing 20, 40 like this. So you can manage like this. Okay, like this, and here like this. Okay, you can manage individual. Because the spacing is very important. All character doesn't have same space. Tracking, as I told you, overall space between the whole word or more than two character. And the shortcut key same, Alt and right arrow to increase space between, and Alt and left arrow to decrease tracking. Okay, that's how you can use it. I will increase little bit leading, Alt and down arrow like this. All right. So this is the standard properties for all software. Okay, LKT, leading, kerning and spacing, and you should remember the shortcut key as well. Okay. Okay, then we have leading, kerning, then we have horizontal scale. Okay, you can use this horizontal scale as well like this. It's vertical. I don't prefer to use it, but sometime if you want to use, but because it will damage its actual shape. If you want, you can do it. Next we have horizontal scale. You can also use this one if you like it or if you have some requirement. Then here we have baseline shift. If you want to shift your text from the baseline, you can also use this one. Then your text will be moved from the baseline. Okay, normally we don't use this one as well. Then you have letter rotation. So each letter you can also rotate at certain angle if you want to rotate. Alright. Next we have some caps. Caps are buttons. You can make switch on and off. Okay. First we have all caps. It will make all letter capital. Alright, just by clicking. We have also option here with type menu is all about the type text tool. Go here and here you have change case. From here you can also, but here the cases you can change. For example, uppercase all capital. Alright, then you will go type and then we have change case and lowercase all will be smaller. Why it's not done? Because from here you have switched on all caps. Make sure it's switched off. Okay. One, this cap is switched off, all. Again, you can go type and then you can select also title case. In title case, the first letter of the first word of the sentence will be capital. Alright. So you can use this one if you want standard formatting. And last, you have sentence case. Alright. Each word letter will be capital as well. Okay, from here caps lock all will be capital. Then you have small caps. Small caps means the first letter is a capital, but its size will be the capital letter, and other will be capital, but the size will be the smaller letter. Alright. Yes. So here you can, I will keep this one. Next we have like superscript and subscript. We can also use this one. For example, you have H2O, right, and you have A square plus B square, right. So here how we will use this one. So select this one H2O. So select this only two and just make it subscript. Alright. So superscript you can use this one like this, okay, and like this. So this will go up. Okay. So A square B square and also you have H2O formula like this. So you can use subscript. Then you have underline. You can make it underline and also strike through effect if you want to delete. Okay. So that's how you can use character formatting in Illustrator. One problem you may face, okay, and Adobe Illustrator save the last formatting which you have done. If you will take type tool again and you will draw like this, so it will follow the last formatting you have done. Okay, you will face this problem. So what is solution for that? You have to reset it. Okay, how to reset? Just go here in character panel and this hamburger menu, just click here and reset panel like this. So it will be resetted. You have to reset after changing. So reset panel like this. So whole panel will be resetted, then you can use. You have to do it again and again after formatting. Okay. Next we have paragraph. Okay, paragraph is very easy. So I will just make a paragraph like this. Okay, and just go to paragraph tab. Okay, in paragraph tag, first of all we have alignment. You can do align left, align center, align right, justification, last line align, and you can use from here different option. I will use left align. Then here we have which is called indent, okay, and which is called left indent. It will add white space at the left side of the paragraph like this. If you want to leave white space, you can use this one as well. Then if you want right indent, you can add also white space at the right side. As you see, the frame becomes smaller, so that's why it's giving you overset error. So from here you can use like this. I'll keep it 0, 0. I don't need it. Then you can also move this one. This is called first line indent. So you can move only first line of the paragraph. Okay, that are the old rules we were using before, but now they are not common. But still, if you have requirement, you can use. And last we have this one we are using, which is called space before paragraph and space after paragraph. If you have more than one paragraph, so how computer will get to know it? There are two paragraphs or one if you have enter. Example, I will copy 2 or 3 lines like this. Okay, Control C and copy, Control V. Now I have 2 paragraphs. Okay, so select paragraph, all right, like this, and just increase space. You will see the space before paragraph and after paragraph you can also increase. So this we use nowadays, space, paragraph, before and after. Okay, you can use this hyphenation as well. Okay, if you want to avoid hyphenation, you can just check and uncheck from here as well. All right, so that's all about your type tool. Okay, typography in this Illustrator. Okay, one thing more, you can change also. Look, again I have to reset, so you can reset again paragraph panel as well. Okay, so I will click here, point line text. You can change also the font and size by selecting this one, right click. By right clicking you can choose also fonts from here. Okay, you can choose recent font. You can also choose size from here. You can also create outlines. Create outlines means this text will be converted into shapes. It become a vector shape. Then you can also spell check, you can do also from here. Okay, you can also insert special characters, symbols, hyphenation. This one you can also use. Okay, insert white space character. Okay, you can also press from here. Okay, so this some font option we can use also by right clicking on the type tool. All right, so this all about typing, how to use fonts and how to use character and paragraph panel. Okay, in next lecture we will see the remaining tool of the type tools. Okay.